A 62-year-old male patient arrives in the busy emergency department following a sudden and catastrophic physical collapse. Initial triage data reveals a spectrum of neurological failure across 4 distinct clinical domains. His breathing is irregular, he's drowsy, his left pupil is 6 millimeters and poorly reactive. He has right-sided weakness with a Babinski sign and cannot void a distended bladder. These simultaneous failures across different systems cannot be solved by clinical intuition. They require a strict analytical framework to locate the specific damage. Many clinicians immediately try to force these complex symptoms into historical diagnostic boxes, like Wallenberg's or Weber's syndromes. This pattern-matching reflex fails when a patient has damage at multiple levels of the nervous system. Forcing a unique presentation into a memorized syndrome creates a diagnostic blind spot. We will instead navigate the central nervous system using the first principles of an anatomical map. Plotting a coordinate on this map requires setting 4 specific data switches: side, level, system, and unity. By applying these switches to the physical exam, we can derive the exact location of the lesion purely from the anatomical evidence. We begin with the vitals and cranial signs, the patient's drowsiness, and the dilated, poorly reactive left pupil. Altered consciousness paired with a unilateral pupillary defect shifts the focus deep inside the brainstem, specifically to the midbrain. These signs implicate the reticular activating system, which governs arousal, and the left cranial nerve 3 parasympathetic fibers. This combination confirms a critical brainstem lesion, anchoring the top coordinate of our map. Next, we contrast the left-sided cranial nerve deficit with the motor data: profound right-sided weakness in the arm and leg. This is the rule of crossed signs. Because motor pathways cross the midline as they descend, a deficit on one side of the face and the opposite side of the body isolates the damage to the brainstem. The patient's right-sided weakness maps to the descending corticospinal tract, which sits directly adjacent to the damaged left cranial nerve 3. This crossed pattern provides a precise working coordinate: the left ventral midbrain. The structural alignment of these crossing pathways identifies a left ventral midbrain lesion as a primary cause of the patient's collapse. We must now determine if the sensory data supports this midbrain hypothesis. Sensory pathways cross in the spinal cord and medulla. Therefore, a right body sensory change is consistent with a left-sided brainstem lesion. The data forms a tidy textbook diagnosis, which often tempts clinicians to stop the investigation here. However, the final data points are discordant: a sharp sensory cutoff at the umbilicus and an inability to void the bladder. A ventral midbrain lesion cannot physically produce a sharp horizontal sensory level at the T10 dermatome. Furthermore, the distended bladder specifically identifies a failure of descending autonomic control and the sacral outflow pathway. These spinal and autonomic signs are incompatible with a midbrain-only model. This exam requires a map that accounts for damage at multiple distinct levels. We use the diagnostic unity matrix to test the single lesion hypothesis. The cranial nerve palsy, motor weakness, arousal, and crossed sensory signs all align with the midbrain coordinate, but it fails to explain the sharp truncal level and the bladder retention. While clinicians prefer a single unifying diagnosis, we must prioritize physical anatomy over the law of parsimony. The unity parameter confirms one lesion is anatomically impossible. We must accept at least 2 distinct sites of damage. The definitive diagnosis is a primary midbrain lesion, compounded by a secondary lower spinal cord or autonomic lesion. Our final coordinates span the entire vertical axis of the central nervous system: the midbrain, the T10 spinal level, and the pelvic autonomic pathways. Relying on a memorized syndrome would have resulted in missing the secondary spinal crisis entirely. When the physical signs refuse to fit a single clean level, do not compress the patient into a vocabulary word. Expand the map.